Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you have a Visa gift card and you want to use that gift card on Doordash, then this video is for you. First, you have to select a location of your location. Then if you want to pick up or if you want to deliver some product, then you can select it from this section here, and then you can select a product or a dish that you want to order or you want to deliver or you want to order or you get delivered to you. So you can simply click on pick up here, then you can simply select the item that you want to order for. For example, I want to order this one, so you have to click on plus button here. After that, you have to you have to go with these dishes that if what things you want to include it, like egg white, I want to egg white, 3 bacon or 3 sausage links, and like this one white and size sausage and juice actually. Now after that, you can select the juice. I'm going to get orange juice. Now you can simply click on add to cart. Currently I have added the dish on the cart here, so you can simply click on continue. Then here is the section where you can enter your shipping details and you can just complete the payment process here. So here is the total amount that you have to pay for the order. So from here you just need to click on credit or debit card. So if you don't have added any credit or debit card, then you can add a new card, or if you have added another a credit card already or debit card already on your Doordash account, then you can click on add a new card, then you can add the new card. So you can enter your gift card number here, then CVC or CVV number, then the expiration date and the zip code that your currently location or where you bought the gift card from. Then you can simply click on add card. Then you can add your gift card and you can use your gift card for complete this order or for complete this payment process here. So that's pretty much simple. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.